Today we're going to subtract fractions with unlike terms. Now, if you had watched the previous videos where we add fractions with unlike term, you will realize that we are using similar steps to solve the problem. Let's look now at our problem for the video. Now we have 3/4 subtracted by 1/5. Now again, we say that these are unlike because one, their denominators are different, and as a result of them being different, we're not able to subtract across as if we would do when we are subtracting like terms. So we are going to use our two methods now of solving this. One, by using equivalent fractions, and two, by using the LCM. Let us start with our equivalent fractions method. Now, remember, for us to change them to equivalent fractions, we're going to use our denominators and we're going to multiply each fraction in order to change them. So this means that we're going to use our 5 here to multiply with our 3 and to multiply with our 4. And we're going to use this 4 here to multiply with our 1 and to multiply with our 5. Good? Now, once we have got that understanding, let us continue to solve this problem. So 3 times 5 will give us 15. And 4 times 5 will give us 20. Of course, you don't forget your sign. 4 times 1 will give us 4. And 4 times 5 again will give us 20. So you will now see that they now both have the same denominator, which is 20. So this means that we can go right ahead and subtract across. So let us put back our denominator because it is the same. 4 from 15 will give us 11. So the answer to this problem when we use the equivalent method is 11 over 20. Let's try it using the LCM method. Now, remember we say that when we're using the LCM method, we have to find multiples that both denominators can easily divide without you leaving a remainder. And then when we have found those multiples, then we proceed to find the lowest one, right? So let's start writing some multiples of 5 and 4. Now, the first one I can think about is 20. Then if I should continue, the next one I can think about is 40. Alright, so I'm not going to go any further because this will lead me going into bigger numbers and we don't want to go there. We have 2 and that's enough. So we have to now consider which one is the lowest. So once we have figured that out, we can see that the 20 is the lowest. So that is our LCM. So let's go draw our line and we write our 20 below. So remember, we use our denominators to divide and we use our numerators to multiply. 4 into 20 will leave us with 5. So we put 5 here. 5 times 3 will give us 15. 5 into 20 goes 4. We must put our 4 here. 4 times 1 will give us 4. So we can now go ahead to subtract because we have our new denominator. So our new denominator is 20. When I subtract 15 and 4, I will get 11. And this becomes our new numerator. So again, solving it the LCM method, we still ended up with 11 over 20.